today. So I'm going to have another crack at the 3 in 30 collab today. JJ 3 under 30 collab. It's hosted by Margaret and Tony. Their links will be in the description box below. And for today, I'm going to try to make 3 of these little stamp envelopes. So I've just popped some vintage stamps in these. And I thought I'd try and make 3 of these in 30 minutes, or in under 30 minutes. So I'm using some of our printed invoices that are 2 to a page. So this is an A4 page, and I'll be cutting this in half and using each half separately. I've also printed some of Reni's Vintage Girls and also some labels, but I printed the labels 2 to a page as well. So I have these tiny labels. But links will be in the description box below to all of the items that I have used. I will be having my timer on. Sorry about the timer in the last video. I didn't realise it was out of screen until I went to edit it, or till Reni was editing it. So I do apologise for that. I'll try and keep it in screen this time. Okay, so I've built my little pouches and I've cut out my little girl images and I've just stapled them onto a piece of lace, and I'm going to attach the lace on the front here. Maybe we'll have... And I need to pick out some labels. So maybe I'll have a brown one. And pinky purple one. And one of these blue ones. So I'm just going going to use a little bit of glue, and I'm going to stick these to, actually before I do that, I'm just going to squish these staples just so they sit a little bit flatter against my pouch. Then I'm just going to use the glue on the sort of raised bits of lace so that it can adhere to the newsprint, but I don't want to put too much glue on in case it seeps through. Then I'm going to grab a little bit of this cream lace. It's quite a open lace. It's got these flowers on with lots of netting in between. And I just want to pick some little pieces just to sort of layer over the top and help push that photo back into the background a little bit more so it doesn't just sort of stand right out off the page. Again, I'm just going to use a little bit of glue just on the thicker parts of the lace. There we go. Now these are all quite busy on the front, so I don't really think I need too much in the way of stamping, but I do like this little French seal from the Miller and French stamp set. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of double-sided tape on the back there. I've used it so much that it's lost a lot of its sticky. And I don't want it to be super dark, so I'm going to stamp off first and then onto my pouch. There we go. So now all that is left to do is to fill up my little pouches with my stamps, which I already have here, and pop my little clips on. So there we go, all finished, and let's have a look on our timer. So yep, we've done those in under 20 minutes. So a super cute and fun little project to do, and you can of course make these much bigger using just a bigger piece of paper. If you want a full tutorial with me explaining how I cut everything and why I cut it, just let me know in the comments below and I will make sure to do that. I will leave links in the description box to all of the papers that I've used today and to both Tony and Margaret's channels. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you again next time. Bye.